In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here just open all specs right here. Now locate New Version and tap on it 7 times. As you can see, now you are a developer, so we can go back, and now you will be able to find developer options under additional settings. Just mark it, scroll down, and developer options appeared right here. Click on it to open, and now you can smoothly use all those features. As you can see, the list is quite long, so you will definitely find all you need to customize in your device. And for example, if you'd like to enable freeform windows, just mark it, and now it is active. Then you can switch it off the same way, and it works the same way for each of your options here, operations. As you can see, this is how it works. Then you can switch it off the same way. And whenever you'd like to turn off developer options, you need to go back to the top of the list and switch it off. As you can see, it's no longer active, and that's it. So that would be all. This is how you can access developer mode in your XIAOMI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.